and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Kalsa Canal blockade over Mhadei almost 90% done. Goa team inspects Kankumbi. Pressure tactic works. Kabderam assault case. Victims untraceable. PI on leave. Police mum on issue. No action or arrest against assaulter. Is Goa becoming another UP? More grants for St. Francis Xavier Exposition. Union Minister Sripad Naik proposes daily special tourist train. CM declares water purifier project for Goa. Online admission for Chogole College begin from Friday evening. Higher secondary opens admission after pressure by the government. And national games events will be spread across the state. Stadia for football, hockey, tennis are being planned as Goa gears up for Kumbh Mela of sports. Now news in detail. The concrete blockade on the Kalsa Canal over Mhadei is almost 90% complete. As per the directions of the Mhadei Water Dispute Tribunal, construction of the concrete wall is almost complete and the progress is satisfactory. Team from Goa observed this after a site inspection at Kankumbi on Friday. The work has begun on a war footing after Goa warned of a contempt action against Karnataka. Tribunal has set deadline till 31st May to the Karnataka government.
Construction work of a concrete blockade at Kalsa Canal is on. Earlier, the work was moving at a snail's pace. Goa government suspected Karnataka of flouting the orders of Water Tribunal. 31st May is the deadline given to the Karnataka government. Doubting Karnataka's intentions, Goa government had warned of a contempt action if the work at Kalsa Canal was left incomplete by 31st. On Friday, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni, Principal Secretary, Water Resource Engineers, Goa government officials and inspectors visited the site at Kankumbi. Advocate General informed Prudent that 90% construction of wall is complete and the work is progressing satisfactorily.
Work to the extent of almost 90% is completed. The 10% is the top slab, which they can cast it within an hour. The work is in accordance with the order of the tribunal and the work is mandated by the order of the tribunal. Plus there is a monitoring committee which is appointed. So that is overseeing the entire work.
Chief Engineer of Kalsa Bandura project Ashok Wasnal said the concrete blockade work was delayed due to sudden rainfall. He informed of a meeting which is scheduled on 5th June.
Cleaning wall almost it is completed, except some minor work that also will complete today. It's completed. There was not that much delay. It was a very short time and due to frequent rains and all, we had little problem. Otherwise, we have completed.
Convener of Mhadei Bachao Andolan, Rajendra Kherkar said work has begun due to pressure by the Goa government. Job will be complete within the deadline.
May14 हे काम जावपाक जाय अशा प्रकारचो आदेश आसा तो म्हादई पाणी वाटप लवादान दिल्लो आसा तर ती पूर्तता करपा खातीर गोवा सरकारान जो दबाव हाडलो तेचो खंय तरी प्रभाव जालो आनी तेका लागून कर्नाटकान मोठ्या गतीन जे आसा ते काम सुरू केले आनी जे दोन्ही वेंट आसा ते तेंच्यांनी ब्लॉक केल्ले आसा आनी आता तेका कॉन्क्रीटचे लेयर जे आसा 4 इंचाचे घालपाचे ते आयज किंवा फाल्यां पुराय करतले अशी आमकां खात्री दिसता. गोंय सरकारान म्हटले की आमी कंटेम्प्ट पिटिशन फायल करतले आनी हेची दखल कर्नाटकाच्या जे मुख्य अभियंता असले आणि त्यांचे जे शिपणाव खात्याचे अधिकारी असले त्यांनी दखल घेतली आणि त्यांच्यानी कामकाज जे आसा ते पुराय करपा खातीर प्राधान्य दिल्ले आसा.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
2 youth suspected to be culprits behind rising thefts were stripped and bashed at Kabderama on Thursday. Youth from Navili stripped Swapnil and Jason, locals of Kepe, tied them to a motorcycle and made them run. Both victims were discharged from hospicio on Friday. They are not traceable now. Police have opted to be mum on this issue. Police sources informed that victims have offered for a compromise after they were arrested on Thursday night.
People from Kukari, Kursade and Kepe are shocked with this incident. One of the members of this gang at Naveli, Firoz Khan, has lodged a fire against Swapnil and Jason at around 1:30 on Thursday night. Sources from police department has informed that Swapnil and Jason were frequent visitors at Kabdi Ram. Victims were admitted at Hospicio and were later discharged on Friday morning. Both are untraceable. So is the PI of Kukari, Nina Deulkar. PSI Tukaram Chauhan informed our correspondent that PI Deulkar is on leave. We were unable to contact PI as his phone was out of reach throughout the day. Here is the ground report from our correspondent.
जे भुरग्यांक पयर हांगा मारल्यात ते भुरगे ह्याच वाठारांक चोरी करताले. गाडयांचे टूल बॉक्स उगडून जे थोडे कितें मेकॅनिकपण जाणा आशिल्ले ते वापरून गाडयांचे टूल बॉक्स उगडून लोकांचे मोबायल किंवा तांची कॅश वॉलेट पर्स बी कितें आसताले ते लोकांचे चोरताले. हालींच जेन्ना ते तरणाट्यांच्या जमावाक सापडले चोरता आसतना तेन्ना ते तरणाट्यांच्या जमावान तांकां येशीत मारपेट केलो, तांकां भरपूर मारले.
Though police have formally opted to be mum on this issue, sources from police department informed that victims had offered for a compromise on this issue. Both victims were untraceable on Friday after their discharge from the Hospicio. Dattaraj Naik from Kukari for Prudent.
Union Tourism Minister Sripad Naik has assured special grants for exposition of St. Francis Xavier this year. However, regarding invitation to Pope, Chief Minister says it would be better if Church initiates formal invite. Sripad Naik revealed plans about a jetty for cruises at Murmugaon. He is in talks with Konkan Railway for a special daily tourist train from Mumbai. Chief Minister said that state government is putting a proposal for water purifying project.
एक दोन इनागुरेशन आमचे 12 तारखेनंतर जातले. आमचे माननीय टुरिझम मिनिस्टर म्हणटले एक नवी जेटी मार्बोगांव प्रस्ताव म्हणजे क्रूज जेटी. खूबश्यो आज बोटी येतात क्रुजाच्यो, तांच्या खातीर ताजें फावंडेशन सुरू जातलो. एक कोलवाच्या सरपुटाच्या कामा संदर्भात एक हें जाल्लें आसा, ताजें एक फावंडेशन स्टोन आमी 12 तारखेनंतर घालतले. फास्ट टुरिस्ट ट्रेन मुंबय टू गोवा, गोवा टू मुंबय अशे पद्दतीन कोंकण रेल्वे कडेन उलोवन फक्त फर्स्ट क्लासापेक्षा बरी अशा पद्दतीन म्हणजे अशी पॅलेस ऑन व्हील आसा म्हणजे बाकीच्या हितून राज्यांनी त्या पद्दतीन अशी जर एक ट्रेन दवरली जाल्यार जे काही कंजेशन जाता लोकांक तिकीट मेळना हो एक प्रॉब्लेम सुटोवंक शकतो. तो एक आमी तातूंतल्यान एड केल्लो आसा. म्हणजे रुरल ट्युरिझम आनी एग्रो ट्युरिझम जर केलो जाल्यार फॉरेनरांक कशा पद्दतीन आमची सगळ्या पिकां जाता तशी जवळ जवळ प्रत्येक जिल्ल्याक एक आमची हें आसा की अजून ती पॉलिसी ठरूना, पूण ही पॉलिसी ठरोवपाक आमी सगळ्या ट्युरिझम आपल्या मंत्र्यांची सगळ्या राज्याच्या मंत्र्यांची आमी एक मिटींग आपयतले दिल्ली आनी तातूंतल्यान हे सगळे तरेच्यो गोश्टी तांचे कडेन डिस्कस करून फायनलायज करतले. ई विजा असो जो आमी एक हें आसा पळय ते करपाचे प्रस्ताव आमचो आसा.
Regarding invitation to Pope for exposition this year, CM Parrikar opined that the institution should initiate a formal invite and it should be routed through the External Affairs Ministry.
ह्या वेळार आमी तो बरे रितीन करतले आनी सेंट्रला कडल्यान आमकां ह्या फेस्टिवलाक जी जी कितें मदत दिवंक जातली ते मोठे ग्रांड हें आमी करतले. हय आमी तांचे म्हणजे आमी इन्वायट करप डायरेक्ट बरोबर जावचें ना, तांच्या संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून ते करीत जाल्यार अदीक बरें जातलें.
Because government side, if it goes, it has to go from the central government. Vatican is an recognized government, so it has to be government to government. So हांचे कडच्यान गेल्यार we can help to speed up the process.
बाकीच्या फेस्टिवलान जशे पयशे पेक्षा जास्त हे सुद्धा एक व्हडलो फेस्टिवल गोंयचो.
Government has plans for a new water purifying project.
Heritage coastal मागीर tourism development circuit in Vasco. One is reverse osmosis plant, drinking उदकाचे reverse osmosis म्हणजे उदक आरो प्लांट उदक फिल्टर करून लोकांक अवेलेबल करप, so that plastic bottles which people buy can be replaced or need not be bought. They can use the same plastic bottle to fill in a good filter water. लोक बरें उदक मेळना म्हणून बिस्लरी किंवा बॉटल उदक घेता. सो अशे काही प्रोजेक्ट्स ताजेर चर्चा जाली आनी ताजे प्रपोजल्स तांकां धाडपाचें ठरलेलें आसा.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.